Ben's Hen by Mary Alinas and illustrated by Kathleen Pidlinski. Ben's Hens. The farm is fun. This is Ben. Ben has a pal. Her name is Jen. Ben has pets. Ben has a hen. The hen is fast. Catch her, Ben! Ben calls for help. Help me, Jen! Run fast, Ben! Run fast, Jen! Ben and Jen catch the hen. Good job, Ben. Good job, Jen. What happens then? Ben and Jen find a pen. They put the hen in the pen. There are more hens in the pen. How many hens? There are 10. What does the hen do then? The hen runs fast inside the pen. Now all the hens run. 10 hens in a pen. The hens must stop. Do you know when? When Ben brings corn. And only then. See if you can read this word list. Thanks for joining me.